Roger on that. I kicked a little bit extra in there. Hey, Popcorn, I hit the foot warmer 445. Does it make a difference?
Yes, sir. It made a difference. You come up a little bit there, buddy.
Out there, Popcorn. Hey, take care out there. Good to hear you again. Hey, been a long time, Popcorn. Hope everything's good on your end, Devil.
Hey, 445, they got a little bit rough, man. They got a little bit rough that time around. But nevertheless, old Popcorn is still paying attention.
Alright there, Popcorn. Hey, take care. God bless you. 445. Radio Man, Mississippi, but the video game rolling. I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.
319 in the Magnolia. Popcorn, go. Number 83 in the mini grass. Number 83 go.
About 83 in the mini grass, 445, Mississippi. Alright, there, 83 in the mini grass, 445, Mississippi. They, what is today? A Wednesday afternoon wave. Alright there, 83. Hey, take care out there on that end. 445. I'm going to try to take care on this end. Hey, 83 minigrass, sounding good. 445. I'll see you later.
Hey, 445, man, what are you doing this afternoon? Good afternoon, 445. 27 in the Mobile, just leaving the salt mine.
Hey, 27. I just got in, man. I had to go make a trip back to my old station and see my grandchildren. I just got in the shack, Tempo.
Hey, Tempo, that's a good day. Hey, 445, when you get to see the little 44s, man, that's a good day. Hey, 445, you're smoking out here on the west side. Me and this Mobile just cruising.
Alright, there you are, 27, that Mobile. I'm on my number 2 station. I'm on my number 2 station out here. Hey, hopefully I don't get picked on too much, Tempo.
There ain't nobody behind you. Nobody in front, nobody behind you. Hey, 445, that number 2 station sound better than my number 1 station.
I appreciate the flowers out there, number 27 message. Hey, I appreciate the flowers, 445. Hey, man, you don't sound too bad on the Super Bowl. I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey, I'm just a mud duck out here who gets lucky to get my name called. Hey, 445, I'm just a mud duck who gets lucky. That's all it is.
Yeah, Tempo. Alright, 3827, that Mobile, man. Keep the shiny side up, the rubber side down. Hey, we'll put it on you later, Tempo.
Hey, Tempo, man, I'm headed to the home 20, so we'll see how Mother Nature's still rolling. 445, enjoy your day. Me and this Mobile will hammer down on the country roads. I'll see ya.
Alright, there, 27. Hey, take care out there on country roads. Watch out for them potholes. Hey, I don't know if they fix them like they do back here, man. But we got lots of potholes. At home.
Hey, we got lots of patch jobs out here. It's like speed bumps everywhere you go. They just drive along and put in a bag of asphalt and drive away from it. We flatten it out as we go.
Same thing back here, man. They must have learned from California. They must have learned from California, because the same way back here, Timbo.
Tempo. 445. Enjoy your day at DX, man. Hopefully she stays in there. I'm going to go home, probably crank it up and see what we got going on. 445, 27, Mobile. I'm pulling back. I'll see you.
Out there, 27. Well, the only buddy I got to talk to is Popcorn. Popcorn out there in them wine fields. That's the only person I got to talk to at 27.
Alright, well, I'm going to pull out of the way if Popcorn's still out there, man. Always like listening to him talk. 445, I'll get back in the bushes while you and Popcorn do some talking. I'll see you.
He left a while ago. I just said, that's the only buddy I heard out there. I don't know where everybody's at.
I think they're all down on the bowl. At 445, I think everyone down there on the bowl trying to be a superstar.
Yeah, 10-4. Yeah, I heard 7-1-1 in the greens up there earlier. And I went through the channels to see who was out there, Tempo.
Oh, forget about it. Nah, 445, that one got real rough, man. That one got real rough. Someone else keyed. I don't know who it was, but I think I heard Kentucky, some Mother Nature jumping around. 445, enjoy your day. I'm going to pull this mud duck mobile out of the road. 27, go.
Bye. Have a good day.